Hi everyone, it's Chloe here from the Chloe Bruce Academy. Welcome to another bow staff tutorial. Grab yourself a bow staff if you have one, if not a broomstick or something similar that you can just move around your body today. Today we're going to learn what you guys requested, a shoulder roll, okay? And at the end I might throw in a little combo as well. So grab your bow staff and let's get ready for today's tutorial. So let's get started. Grab yourself a bow staff and I want you to join me in this star position, okay? Bow staff in your right hand and it should just be resting across your back like so. And in this nice star position. Lower your left arm for a moment and all I want you to focus on is a wrist move to start with. So all you're going to do is move the top end of the bow towards your chest, but without really moving the arm, so it's all in the wrist. Okay, if I just do that side on so you can see. Good. So from here, forget what we just did, that will come into play later. All we're going to focus on is bringing the right hand towards the left armpit, okay? So we're going to do a slight curve down, in, hand under that left armpit, okay? So again, from here, one is a slight curve to that left armpit. Now, as you can see, the bow staff's already destined to go towards that opposite shoulder. So, in order for us to get it there and help it on its way, you have to do that movement we just did. So, flick of the wrist and then release. So, we're here, step 1, 2, 3. As soon as you do that flick and the bow staff's got the momentum, open the hand and release the bow staff. Don't throw it. The bow staff must be in contact with your body at all times to enable it to roll round. Okay, if you throw it, it's just going to go up there. So again, from here, 1, curve down, right hand to left armpit, flick of the wrist and over. I'll show you one from behind. So from here, in our star position, you're going to come right hand to left armpit, slight curve down, flick of the wrist and over. Also, speed comes into this move as well. So obviously, the more fluid and speed you have, the easier it will roll round. So if you're doing it in steps and you're pausing, it might be harder for it to get that roll round. But from that flick of the wrist, release, it should have the momentum to get fully round, okay? And guide it. So wherever that end is pointing to, that's where it's going to. So if you're here and your bow staff is pointing towards the side of you, it's going to go around your body, like so, okay? So as soon as you come around here, bring it down and round. You want that bow staff already pointing in that direction. Flick of the wrist, send it on its way. Catching the bow staff. So you can catch on top, which is obviously the quickest way because you can just reach the left hand round and grab. I tend to wait till it's round a little bit further and then grab underneath. But entirely up to you. When you're first learning, I understand you just want to grab and say you've completed the move. So entirely up to you. I'll show you both versions. So this is grabbing on top of the bow staff. Here, there. Okay, see how I've caught on top of the bow staff? And you can pretty much grab that as soon as you've released it. So from here, if you can see, I throw, grab. So there's not much of a gap between release and catch. The other one is the underneath grab, the underhand grab, which I do. So from here, I just let it come around a little bit further and grab here. Okay, and then I'm in perfect setup for a hand roll. So again, overhand and then underhand. Okay? Entirely up to you. So that is the shoulder roll explained. I am going to give you one combination. So once you've got the shoulder roll, this is your combo. You've got the shoulder roll into the hand roll into the neck roll. To do that, I'll just break it down very, very briefly. So we're here, starting that star position into the shoulder roll we just did, catching on the underhand of the bow staff, hand roll, back. Then from there, you're in the perfect position to send the bow staff around the neck the opposite direction. One more time. Shoulder roll from the right hand, grabbing the left. Hand roll, then left hand to right hand, neck roll. That's your combination to practice for today. Good luck with the tutorials, guys. It's so good to see so many people enjoying the bow staff tutorials. There's a lot more where these came from. Keep practicing. Any questions, drop me a message, drop me an email or a comment below. Take care, guys, and I'll see you soon. Bye.